Doing some burps. Oh shit!
So how did that Carl's Jr. feel?
Hey, I just burped up Carl's Jr.'s. I'm going out to polish night though. Oh yeah, and I will make a YouTube video tonight. I don't know what I will make, but I will make one. I promise you that.
You better be promising that, Tara, because
Oh! Keep on burping up Carl's Jr.'s.
you ate like Carl's Jr. like 5 hours ago. That's what's so weird. Hey, buddy,
Oh, I just put my mouth on the camera.
I can't wait till our severe thunderstorm hits Boise. Can't you, buddy?
Oh! That what the hell was that?
This sounds so sick.
Oh, what the hell keeps on happening? I keep on burping up juice
Oh,
and pop.
you burping up juice?
I think it's pop. My burps are wet.
I think it's pop.
Aww. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Will mean a lot. And goodbye.